soon as the kids leave in mid-May, it's hammered down. We've got a lot to do this summer, a lot to get done. And so it's just sort of a nice break that all of us can get together, get in the van, talk, get some free barbecue, some free, just take a breather before finishing out the summer strong. Secondarily, we always come away with something. We've come up and found new mop bucket systems that we like. We've come up and seen the stand-up tenant that we've got back home and ended up spending $15,000 on a new one. So there's always something that we like, wow, this is something new that can help our job, help keep the school cleaner. So there's always twofold. There's a lot of value in just seeing what's new in the industry.